a fact for you. Did you know that 97% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed to my channel? If you could do us a favour and you like the video, if you could drop a comment down below, drop a like, subscribe, it will just help with the algorithm, get it seen out there more, and as I say, help me grow. Also, if you want to buy the bike, if you go directly to the Windgoo link that I've dropped in below, I'm their first official affiliate. I'm not getting paid for the video, but they obviously recognise that some people do watch my videos, and if you buy it direct from them, they have good communications through from there, and as I say, it helps me out as well. So, let's get back to the video. You may have guessed, but this isn't actually the new B20. This is my old B3. This isn't the one that I got sent for free, but this is the one that I've been using. I don't know if you can tell from there, but I've got yet another puncher on the front wheel. I had a puncher on the back wheel. I've got a missing mud flap up the top here. The on and off switch is missing from the top. And I thought to myself, let's see what else they've got available on the old Windgoo website. So I went on there and I saw the B20 and I was like, this is the one I think I want. But I don't want to pay for it. So I thought, I know. I sent them a message and I'll tell them, I don't know if you know about me, but I'm a bit of a big deal in the old Windgoo world on YouTube. So if you want me to look at any of your products and do some reviews and stuff, let me know. Then about a week later, I got an email back saying, we do know you, and yes, we would love for you to do some videos. So that's when they sent me this, the new Windgoo B20. And in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of it. I haven't opened it. I got this like 5 days ago, and I've been waiting for today. Today's Monday. I've been waiting all weekend. It's got 2 young kids, and you've got no time when you've got them around. So I'm waiting for today. So we're going to do an unboxing video. So from me to you, thank you, Windgoo. And yeah, we'll be looking over this one. I'm going to do some other videos later on comparing the B3 to the B20. But this one's going to be the unboxing video for it. So yeah, Windgoo sent this to me for free, so to say thank you very much for that. They haven't paid me to review it, they haven't asked me to give positive reviews. They said, have it, enjoy it, see how you get on, do some videos about your experiences and stuff. And today we get the joy of unboxing it. So let's crack into it, shall we? The box looks pretty well packaged. Up from the top. What does it say on the front? What have we got? 20 kilometers an hour, 14-inch wheels, disc brakes, front and rear disc brakes. Oh my gosh, you don't know how excited I am to know the fact that I'm going to have a front disc brake as well as a rear disc brake. So here we go. Yes, it's very familiar. We've got a box here. No doubt this is going to have the motor and bits in. We'll come to that one in a second. What we'll do is we'll lift the bike up and then remove the box. There we go. Alright, put a little kickstand down, I think. There we go. So, black. Oh, no, the pedals we've got to put on, so that's fine. Right, so it's got the same mechanism that we have on the B3 for lifting it up. Here we go. Interestingly though, they have changed. Right, that's good, I'll show you that one. They've changed, on the B3, they have like a little plastic clip that you have to swivel around, which is a bit of a pain in the bum. But this one's actually got like a little lever go up and down. So that's a great improvement from the other one. That's going to be a bit more, well, I'm looking forward to that as well. On the top here, for the handlebars, so we can, bring that round into a different position. Probably say around there, lock it off. Another new addition to this one than on the old one. A bell. So the other one had a horn, so we'll see what this does. The seat is attached to the frame. We get some side cutters, chop that bit off. Here's the seat. Yeah, probably a bit more comfortable than the other one, looks a bit better. Longer shaft as well through from that. Pop that in there. Again, there's quick release on the seat, which is always beneficial in these situations. Obviously, if you're going to be doing quick folds and things, you want it to be as... It hasn't got the pedals on it, but this one comes with, comes with pedals, whereas to say the 3 doesn't have pedals, so that's pretty good. I like that. This is how we obviously split it in half. Move that all the way over there. What else have we got? Oh, then you lift it up. Oh, right, there you go. That goes like that. I'm sure we'll do some of them splitting videos when I put it in the cars and bits and bobs like that. I do some air in the tyres. So which one's this one? This is the rear brake, is same as the other one. And there's the front brake on the right side. We'll open up the box. Comes with a little box here. And inside here we have the charger, which is good. We have a couple of pedals. We have a ratchet or spanner, putting the pedals on, and we have an instruction book. So let me just quickly whack these pedals on. Won't take me very long. Oh, there we go. Must have had the wrong pedal. I'll probably do this up tighter with a proper spanner. I was expecting that on one of them. So right, there we go. Got the pedals on. Got the power pack. Take off these bits from here, and I'll bring you in, give you an overview of the situation, alright? Right, so here's the user manual. I was just having a look because I couldn't turn the lights on, but then obviously I've read it and it says pretty much straight away how you do it. So before using electric bike, familiar with how it operates, blah blah blah. Failed to follow instructions, blah blah blah. Battery usage, like all chargeable batteries, yeah. Don't charge it for over 6 hours and don't charge beyond 2 amps electrical current. Please change it every 2 months. Change what? Don't know what that means. When not using for a long time, please keep the battery in a cool, dry place. When charging, please keep the vehicle in ventilation environment and don't expose it to direct sunlight. When charging, please connect to the battery first, then plug into the power. Oh, I've never done that on the other one, so maybe I should do that. When the indicator shows battery's full, please unplug it immediately. Again, I've left it for like my Windgoo for 12 hours, 20 hours. Like, I know I shouldn't because it says not to, but it's done it absolutely no harm. I think they say that for like precautionary measures, just in case anything like does happen. When charging, connect the blah blah blah. Adapter, yeah, fine. So function introduction. Here we go. Charging, we know about that. So there's the charge pack. Let's have a look. Where's the charge port? I'll show you. I'll go over the bike in a second with you guys as well. So it's on the left here. It's fine. We'll light up the front light and rear light. Press the red button for 3 seconds, then release. Okay, that's what I didn't do. 1, 2, 3. There we go. We've got some light power. Front and rear. Very nice. And it says that you can like... That's off. No way. It's got a speedo on it. So it says. We'll have a look into that at all. Well, that would be awesome if it does. Wow. That's wicked. Speeding, please speed up slowly. Don't force the rotation bar harder than it will do. Cruise. Press the green button when riding and the bike runs at the same speed. Press the button again and brake or release the rotation bar to speed it up again. Driving mode. The bike has electric driving mode and chain driving mode. That's basically it. Gives us the size, 14-inch wheels, black. Package weight is 19.5 kilos. Performance weight, maximum load weight. So how fat? You can't be any fatter than 120 kilos, which is pretty fat. But the fatter you are, the slower it will be, obviously. So range between 13 and 15 kilometers, it says, with a top speed of 25 kilometers an hour. So I don't know what the conversions are. I'll try and work them out. So it's got a 350 watt motor, which isn't the biggest motor in the world. It really isn't. But it is a very small bike, and it has to obviously try and remain quite light as well. Front and rear brake discs, that's good. Clean the bike, blah blah blah. Maintenance, front and wheels, centre frames. So there we go. So awesome! I'm excited. Right, let's get some air in the tyres. Digital tyre pressure gauge. What should we do it up to? Inflate to 36. Tells you. 36. That's good. So again, this over my other Windgoo, this has got bigger wheels, it's got 14-inch wheels. The other wheels were a bit small. I'm not gonna lie, they were a bit small. So that back inner tube is on an angle as well, so the motor doesn't get in the way, but this front one, it's not. It's just a normal straight on inner tube, which is a bit annoying. It could have been an angled one again, but never mind. There we go, 36 psi. Don't have a horn. We have a bell, but we do have cruise. Oh. So the brakes, I mean, they feel alright. Obviously I think it's because it's new, because it's brand new, it's going to be like that. Right, so let me grab the camera and then I'll... Right, so here we have the beast. So as I was saying before, this is the lock bar, whereas before it used to have a little bit around it, but now you lift that up and then you can push it down. It's really quite stiff, which is good because it means it's going to stay in there. We've got the light bar on the front here. We've got the front discs, which is not going to be that one, obviously, it's going to be the other one. Hold on. Yep, we've got the front discs there. Here we have the charging port. That's where you undo it from there. Battery's going to be in here. Here we have the pedals. They actually do go quite smoothly, actually, which is quite nice. We've got the seat, which we can adjust. Let me turn the power on. So up here we do have the power. We have the horn. This one here is for the lights. Press and hold 1, 2, 3. And then we've got the front light there. And we've got the rear light here, which is actually very bright light. That you can definitely see the difference between it, can't you? And then obviously on the back one here, on the back one here, we have the back disc brake here. And then here we have the chain with the pedals going through from that point of view. And in here again, this is the lock, so this is the part where you can separate it. Yeah, you lift that up and then you have to pull it out because it's got a locking pin inside there. So you can fold it in half. So I will do the folding on the other one. But I think now it's time, we should probably get it outside and see how it works.